stop scrolling and try this yoga therapy movement for more energy and vitality. So when we're looking at our phones and maybe typing, working on our computer, sometimes we'll come into a little slouch and our chin will jet up and we'll put a lot of compression here on the cervical spine. So I'm going to teach you a yoga therapy practice today that we call head ramping. Traditionally, it might be the beginning steps to Jalandhara Bandha. So first thing to do is we're going to want to pull the chin in, but not just straight back. It's going to go down a little bit, and imagine there's a hook on the back of your head. So you might even take your hand and find that bony protrusion at the back of the skull, that occipital ridge, and imagine there was a hook there. And so when you lift that up, it's going to stretch out from about between the shoulder blades, the scapula, all the way up, and then the chin can come in. So then we have this line from your chin to your ears that looks, one of my students called it a Nike swoosh sign. So you'll have that little lift. When you do that, the chest will also expand, so you can get a deeper breath in, increasing prana or chi or vitality, I like to call it. So once you get your head in position, breathe. Then we're using our head, which is an 8 or 9 pound weight, to strengthen our bones because we're bringing it back on our spine, which can even help against things like osteoporosis. So again, bringing the hand back to that bony ridge, stretch it up, chin in. You'll start to see these sternocleidomastoid muscles working on the sides of the neck. Take a deep breath and reset.